In last video, we have seen about trigonometric identities. So these are the trigonometric identities: sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. In today's video, we will be learning some of the problems based on these trigonometric identities from exercise 8.4. So the first question is, show that cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Usually in this type of problem we will take the LHS, we will simplify the LHS, and we will arrive at RHS. So here also we will take the left hand side, that is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Now, since in the right hand side you can see cos theta, I will try to write this cosec and cot in terms of cos. We know cosec theta is the reciprocal ratio of sin theta. So cosec theta I can write as 1 by sin theta. Cot theta I know that it is cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Now the numerator I can write as 1 minus cos theta the whole square, because the denominator is same and denominator is sin theta the whole square. This I can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and sin theta the whole square I can write as sin square theta. Now the next step, 1 minus cos theta, numerator I will write as such 1 minus cos theta. Now we are going to use the trigonometric identity what you have studied. You have studied cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So what is sin square theta from this? Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I am going to replace sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Again we can write the numerator as such 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by, denominator is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So I am going to write that here 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this 1 minus cos theta, this will get cancelled. Finally we got our RHS. Our RHS is nothing but 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we also got the same thing, 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So first we took the LHS, then we write cosec and cot in terms of cos, because we want the answer in terms of cos. We simplified it. Then we have used the trigonometric identity here, cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1, and we cancel it. Finally we got the RHS. Now the second question is, show that cos a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a equal to sec a, 2 sec a. So same way we will take the left hand side, we will simplify it, and we will finally arrive at 2 sec a. Here already it is in the simplified form, cos, sin and all. We don't have any of this cosec, sec or cot in the left hand side. If cosec, sec or cot is there, tan is also there, we can write in the simplified form like cos by sin or 1 by sin, etc. Now here we will take the LCM, because these are two fractions with different denominators. So I am going to take the LCM. So LCM is 1 plus sin a and cos a. Now what you should multiply with 1 plus sin a to get this? You have to multiply cos a. Same thing you have to multiply in the numerator also. Cos a into cos a is cos square a. Same way, what you should multiply with cos A to get this denominator? You have to multiply 1 plus sin A. Same thing you have to multiply in the numerator also. So you have 1 plus sin A the whole square. So this I can write as cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square. I am going to use the identity A plus B the whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So the same identity I am going to apply here. 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now we will simplify this. We know the identity. Again we are going to use the identity cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. That identity we are going to use here. Cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So when you rewrite that, we will get cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1 plus 1. The remaining terms in the numerator I am going to write as such, divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now we know that 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now this 2 is common. I'll take outside that. So you have 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A, and denominator also has got one more term cos A. This and this will get cancelled. So we have 2 by cos A, and this I can write as 2 into 1 by cos A, and 1 by cos A is nothing but sec. So it is 2 sec A. So here we have taken the LCM, then we have used the identity A plus B the whole square, then we have used the trigonometric identity cos square A plus sin square A. Just we simplified it, we have cancelled, and finally we arrived at the right hand side 2 sec A. Plus sec divided by sec, show that 1 plus sec divided by sec equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So till now we were proving like this. We have taken the left side, we simplify the left side, and finally we will be arriving the answer, and which is equal to the right side. But for some question, if you take the left side, if you simplify it, we will not get the answer. So you can prove in another method also. In that case, we will take the left side, we will simplify it, we will arrive at an answer. You keep that equation number 1. Same way you take the right side, you simplify it, you will be getting the answer. Give that equation number 2. You can see that both the simplified part of left side and the right side will be same. So let's see how to do the problem by that method. So first I am going to take the left side. So we have the left side like this, 1 plus sec A divided by sec A. We know sec is the reciprocal ratio of cos. So I can write 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. So which is equal to cos A plus 1 by cos A and divided by 1 by cos A. So this cos A and cos A will get cancelled. So we have the left hand side equal to cos A plus 1, or the same thing I can write as 1 plus cos A. Both are same. So let this be equation number 1. So left hand side, when I simplified, I got 1 plus cos A. Now we will simplify the right hand side. So sin square A, right hand side is sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. We know that trigonometric identity cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. I want sin square A. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So I am going to write 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So which is equal to 1 minus cos square A is already in the form of A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So I can write 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancel. We have 1 plus cos A. So this is equation number 2. Let's see whether equation number 1 and 2 both are same. So here we have seen that left side when we simplified we got 1 plus cos A. Same way right side when we simplified we got 1 plus cos A. So left side and right side are equal. So from 1 and 2 it is clear that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved that 1 plus Ck divided by Ck is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So thank you for watching the video.